Hi, in this lecture, I am going to talk about Python variables. Python variables are equivalent to the variables you find in algebra class. When we talk about variables, let's talk about the naming. How do we name the variable first, or the identifier? First, it cannot be a reserve or keyword. Variable can consist of letters, digit, and underscore. It cannot start with a digit. So typically, the variable names start with the letter. It's case sensitive. So total, and total. That the total with a big T, total all lowercase, and total all uppercase are three different variable names. Variable names should be meaningful, represent what is stored within. There's a two convention for naming a variable name. One is called camel case, where for the multi-word variable, the first word is all lowercase, and the first letter of the subsequent word is an uppercase. The other convention use underscore convention. For example, user underscore name. These are some of the conventions you will see in many programming language. You can choose camel case, or you can choose underscore convention. Whichever you choose, stay consistent with that. Um, there are also convention that we use all capitalized letter for constant. For example, if you have an all capitalized letter total for variables, um, people might think this is a constant variable. Here are Python 3 keywords. There are only 33 of them. What this means is these are the variable names that you can name. You cannot name these. Your variable names must not be these. What you see here. Only 33, and the way they spell is shown here. So why use variables in a program? Well, the short answer is variables are used to hold temporary data. But the long answer is the proper use of variables is the key to programming. Program uses variable to hold data value. Program will update or manipulate the data stored in those variables. And that's why the proper use of variable is the key to programming. And make sure you understand what the variables are for and what data value are stored in that variable. Do not just create a variable just because you want to create a variable. Think about what the data stored in that variable as you write a program. It will help you understand what the program does. Find the wrong variable name here. You can pause the program and pause the video here. Which one of these is wrong variable name? Okay, I will move on to the next slide to review the answer. So pause it if you want, if you're not ready. The wrong variable names are pass because it is a keyword, and 2 with the number 2 step because it starts with a digit. Okay, did you get it right? Variables act like a container, like a bucket or Tupperware. Again, for temporary storage. So when I say name equal to quote Alice, it the equal is an assignment statement. In Python, this creates a new variable called name, and it also assigns a data value Alice to it. This is how you create a variable in Python, by writing a assignment statement. And because the variable is like a container, the same container can successfully contain different value. For example, result equal to 0, I assign 0 to result initially, and then I can set 3.1415927 to result. and I can set undefined to result later. Again, the equal sign is called assignment operator. The assignment operator basically say assign the data or the value on the right to the variable on the left. Statement in Python, in many programming language, statement really mean it's an instruction that the Python interpreter can execute. For example, the print statement. Expression is a compilation of value, variable, operator, and call to function. For example, if you recall, um, 2 plus 3, that is an expression. That expression can be evaluated into something like 5, and then that value will be, the print statement will print out 5. Okay.